sized road. That's like a...
That's a smaller one.
Yeah. Looks more like a Jeep in it. Yeah, looks like there's a road over there.
These guys know where they're going. Having fun yet?
Just a delight. There's
We got one more.
a bunch of cars coming.
Behind us?
No, I'm just thinking.
Behind us?
Not on the road yet. We're almost there.
Looks like one of those.
Boy, the water's really calm, isn't it?
Is it? It's not windy today, right? That's good.
When it's windy, they close the pool.
And then you go
I don't see
windsurfing.
boats on this side either.
I saw one boat before.
I was over there.
Yeah, there it is. You know, when people on those trucks see us, they're kind of like, what?
What?
What are you doing out here?
We're not allowed?
Say, we could have taken our own Jeep.
Here we are at, I think it's Stargazer's cliff or something. We're not quite sure where to go. Mom and Dad have been here before, allegedly. They all disagree on how they got here. The roads are, some of them aren't passable anymore. These are all lava rocks from the old volcano. There's Dad.